Hello guys, today we are going to discuss one Python shortcut, that is the enumerate function. Now enumerate function is used to add an index or a counter to an iterable. Iterable means the lists, tuples or a string in Python. So enumerate function, we are able to pass the two parameters. First is iterable and second is from where we are going to start an index. By default it is 0. We can add any number. Now, how do we use this enumerate function inside the pie chart? See, we have the list of fruits. Now, we are able to use the enumerate function by passing the list name and the parameter name as start. So, by default, it starts from 0, but I have passed the number 1. Okay. Now, enumerate function, when you will use alone, it will give you an object. So I have convert that object into a list. Okay. Now, in the second manner, you are able to use it like this with the help of the for loop. For I, fruit in enumerate. I stores the index, fruit stores the name of the fruit, name of the element which is present inside the list, and enumerate, which is used to provide an index to all the elements which are present inside this list name. So print I fruit. Now let's see the output. Now you are able to see the output. So we have given here start equal to 1. So it starts the counter from 1. 1 apple, 2 mango, 3 lychee. In the second method, we have not passed any default parameter. So it taken as default starts from 0. This is the method. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.